Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. Today I have made a mob grinder. It's not fully good yet, so that's why I'm just still experimenting with it. But in this video, I'm going to show you the mob grinder and then I'm going to do something. Oh wow, these vindicators are annoying. Or not vindicators, evokers. They're so annoying. But you see I got, the hoppers go down into the chests, so if they will die, stuff goes into the hopper, and the hopper puts it into the chest. See all that stuff right there? I guess I'll just put mine in there too. And yeah. Now, oh no, what is this?
Good day,
What the? No. This is not good. You know what? This is going to be bad for you. Yep, for you. I made a thunderstorm. Yep. Hee hee. Yes, run. Oh. Well, I guess this works. Ow. Vexes are annoying. Ow. The zombie? Oh man, I just died there. Wow, that is wow. Ow, I lit myself on fire. Why do I keep dying? Okay. Weather clear, yep.
Okay, just stop doing that. You can kill me one more time, but just don't kill me again. Ow.
Why do you have diamonds right now?
Diamond? Because remember when we did that big battle?
And I crushed you?
Oh,
Yeah.
and you like the statue of me I made?
No,
Actually,
I wanted to tear it down.
I didn't make that. I didn't make it. I mean,
You just said that you made it.
No, I didn't. Oh, I heard you talking about a weird mob grinder.
Oh yeah, I made a mob grinder. He just fell into a hole. Oh, come on. Really, the shield? Shields are... Yep. You're so dead. I am so dead. Okay, I need better armor. Get off me, armor. Yep, that's better.
What armor?
I got this armor.
That's dumb.
It's better than looking like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take off my helmet. Now I'll look way better. Yep, nothing will kill me when I look like this.
Yeah, they're all running away from you.
Yes, I know. Because I look so good and my brain looks some armor.
Hey, I just used a totem of undying. They're cool.
Did you take it from me?
No, I stole an evoker. I killed an evoker.
Oh.
Whatever that face is.
Guess we're going to be doing something today. Don't know what. So you build statues now?
Statues? Yeah, statue.
Okay, I get it. Now, I've got a job for you.
What?
I want you to build a giant Santa hat.
Okay, but I need stuff. But
You
first,
have to get the stuff on your own.
if I do that, then gotta kill these guys. They're annoying.
Who does?
Okay, just do /kill at E.
No.
Why?
I don't want it.
Just do it so that these annoying vexes will go away. Go away. Go away. Go away, Willy Wonka.
Ah. This is fun. I get to pin the poop. No, not that. Pin the something on the vex. Pin the trident on the vex. Yes.
I happen to have an enchantment, enchanted book.
For? What's the book for?
Fire aspect.
Cool. I want it.
Ow.
Gimme.
Ow.
Jimmy, Jimmy.
No.
Mm,
Tyson,
yes.
the only way you're gonna get it.
Is how?
Killing me won't get it.
What will? Stealing it?
No.
Well, I want you to build an entirely wooden statue of my Minecraft guy.
You?
Yeah, my Minecraft guy.
I can't make it out of wood.
Well, I dare you to make that entire thing. Entire statue of me. An entire statue of my Minecraft guy. I'll pay you with a carrot.
No.
Well then, I don't know what to do. Because I need to do something important today.
What important thing is that? Ooh, what's that?
Oh yeah, there's my mob grinder.
Ooh. Can you take me to the zoo?
No.
There's stuff you got in here.
Come on.
I didn't steal anything.
Out, you go. Well, why don't you go chop wood or something? Well,
Well, I need to use your anvil to upgrade my sword
why?
because I need to upgrade it
Why do you need to upgrade it?
because my old sword sucks because it's iron. So I'm gonna use it.
Did you get permission? Hey, chicken, guess what? You're dirt boy.
Too bad now.
Ow!
Cooked chicken for everyone.
Huh. Seriously? Guess what? I don't know.
Well, I need Hey, I got something for you.
What?
I need you to do me a favor.
What is it?
You need to do something.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? Can I hit you? Can I burn you?
No. You cannot hit me. Yep. Yep. Yes. You did not see that at all. Okay?
I did see it.
No, you
I
didn't.
saw that you had TNT in your hand.
Well, I just got one.
No, I know that you have 55.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
Oh, man. Well, why don't you go do something?
Something useful.
Yes, like what?
I'm gonna go make a grocery store.
Okay. Have fun.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. Okay, I've turned audio off. He doesn't notice what I'm gonna do. So, I'm taking this TNT. I know I've already done a thing where I blow up his head, but this is different. This, I'm not even gonna blow it up at all. I'm gonna have the TNT like this, and this on top of it. So when he does that, that happens, yep. Oh crap, that backfired completely. I hope he doesn't notice what happened. That was completely normal. It always happens. It's perfectly fine. His house always does that. Yep. Always. Yes, always. Completely always happens. Yep. Knew it would happen. And that's why in dirt mining. Yes, dirt mining. Or I could just use what I have here. Yep. There's a ton of stuff in here. Yep. And there's a piece of glass. I can use this. I can use this as well. He's gonna love his house after what I did to it. I'm gonna do this. This. Yep, what is he? Ow. Ow, that hurts. Oopsies, I forgot. He stepped inside his house after I've done this to him. Oh, no, no, no. No, I just want to get in the water. Ah, ow. Ow, 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 bad. Bad dog. Ah. Ouchies. Come on, what is with him? Okay, I'm gonna turn audio on. Okay, I'm gonna build you a new house after that, okay? I'm building you a new house. Bye.
You dingus.
Turn the audio off. Okay, I've turned it off again. So he thinks that I'm building him a new house. He is absolutely right. But it's not gonna be your average normal house. It's gonna be pranked and trapped and stuff. So, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna mine all this up. Yeah, that was a lot of mining. Yes, that was a lot of mining. Okay, all this, yeah, that's 20. And I'll build him this box house. Yes. Totally gonna be a good house. Right? Yes. Well, now I'm gonna need to mine some more wood. Because that's what normal people do. They mine wood. I do have a lot of stuff in my inventory, but he doesn't notice what I'm going to do to his house. So I'm just gonna hope that he is clueless and doesn't know what I'm doing, and he just thinks that I'm being nice and building him a house because his old one sucked. Well, that's not why I'm building him a house. Building him a house so I can prank it. And I can prank it to get revenge. And I need revenge because he made a big statue of himself. Nobody likes when he does that. So I'm just gonna do this. Yes. Yeah, I'm doing this. Yep. A bit more. Hey, what's he doing? Huh? What is he? I can make a better explosion than you. Huh? I have no way to light it. Ow! Can you stop with that? Ow. Wow. He really feels like hitting today. Good thing I'm building him this house. He's gonna love it. Maybe I'll do a second floor of dirt too, since he loves dirt. Yes. Yes. Okay, I got 52 more wood. Yep. Doesn't this guy know that I barely take any damage with netherite armor? Plus, I got knockback resistance from it too. Oh. Jeff doesn't have netherite armor. There's Tuesday, Bob. You're getting killed. Now, he probably assumes this is going to be a basement. He's absolutely right again. And, oh, come on. Get out of the basement. What is he doing? I'm building you a house here. Okay, audio's on.
The creepers are scary.
1 second. I'll get you out of here, okay? You know what, can you send me back up?
You?
Yes. Do it. Come on. Yes, thank you.
Hey, wait. How do I get back up?
Oh, I'll let you get back
This is
up.
a nice house that you're building me.
Thank you.
But I need my house netherish.
Guess what?
Haha.
Too bad. Audio's off. Yep. Maybe he'll just starve down there. Maybe I'll even put a mob down. No creeper! No creepers for me. No creepers for meepers. Yes, that totally makes sense. Okay, I'll just put it time day. Okay, stand right there. You wait. Stand right. Audio's on. Stand right below the hole. Okay, I'm gonna get you there.
Like right here?
Yeah. Audio's off now. This is probably gonna use up the durability on my tridents. Guess what? Bye. Oh no. Hi. Yep. I gotta do it to me as well. Yep. Yep. I'm standing a block of TNT. Look at me go. Oh. That didn't work out as planned. Well, I hope he stays out of that house now. Wow, I'm faster than him. Definitely. Yep. Just fix this up around here. Should I hit him in? Hey, get out of the house. I don't know. I think you're supposed to be saying what happened, right? Well, I don't know. I'm gonna turn on audio just so I can say.
What happened?
Oh yeah, I had to blow myself up. Audio's off. Audio's definitely off. Yep. And here is his basement. There's no way of him ever getting out. But I'm gonna do this for some reason. Yep. Normal. Yes, totally normal thing to be doing. Yes. Yes. Okay, so my brother is not the most experienced Minecraft player. So he's going to think this is some cool floor design. But he's probably going to think that I made the house out of TNT for him. But he's not going to really notice that it's a trap. So let's hope that he doesn't notice it. He probably won't though. Yep. And last finishing touch is the door. Yes, there's the door. He'll notice because I marked it. Okay, audio's on. Okay, I made your house.
Really?
Yes.
Check it out. Nice. Snazzy. Hey, what you doing?
By the way, that sapling marks the door.
It does?
Yes, now go. Ow. Did you have to?
Yeah, I did. Where's the sapling?
Sapling's over here. Okay.
Where's the door?
Break the block. Look, do you like the nice floor that I made you?
No, I can't see inside of it yet.
Oh. Okay, I'm turning off our
Oh, hey, wait, why did the floor fall?
Mm.
Ah!
I'm turning off audio.
I
That was amazing. And he can't even hear me laughing now. Really, a skeleton? Guess what, Skelly? I got boots. Oh, man. Oh, man, he totally fell for it. He fell for it so bad. Wow. You didn't die? How? How? Okay. Hey, bub, audio's on.
I didn't die.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I'm doing something.
What? What are you doing?
Making you an underground house now.
Cool. I want one. Hey, do you need a pickaxe?
No.
For mining, like, stone?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, by the way?
Don't I just look beautiful with that big scarf on me?
No. Now, you know that thing that I just made?
Yeah.
Where is it? The thing. Right here. Go down here.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, why is it so dark in here?
Oh,
Cool! This is nice.
ow.
I like this.
Oh man, I fell. These keep backfiring on me. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Whew. I'm gonna call this video Fun with TNT. I don't know why.
Oh, and
Here, would you like this?
Okay.
Okay. So you wanna know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna go down here. Yep.
Hey, by the way, I have a totem of undying, but I never actually used it.
What?
Yeah.
For?
Don't know why I didn't use it.
Yeah, there we go. How many times did you die today?
Let's check the chat. Okay, I died 1, 2 times. Wow.
A lot more, probably. That's only what the chat is showing.
Yeah.
I think I died even more.
Like I died once, but then I used the web. What's it called?
Ah, yes.
Hey, this morning I did a exploding tree trap.
Cool. Yep. Now, why don't you just go down into that hole?
Hey, why do you have some wood in your hand?
Because. Why don't you go down that hole?
Okay. What?
Bye.
This is cool.
Rah! This keeps backfiring on
I didn't
me.
die.
Guess what? You're going to soon enough. Yes. I'm probably going to blow myself up too, but it's worth it.
Oh, good.
Okay, you know that big crater?
Yeah.
Why don't you go in it? Okay. Why don't you just take a big step in that TNT crater? Hey, doggy, would you like some bones? I don't have any bones. Come with me, doggy.
Which one? Which one is it?
Not that one.
Good lord.
This is my dog. Now.
Hey, doggy. How you doing, dog?
This dog is going in prison for not
Can I call him Doug?
and eating too much bones.
Doug the dog.
No, you can't call him Doug. Now, why don't you just go on that TNT crater here? Yep, go on this one and step on that big piece of wood.
It's not really that big.
Yep, goodbye. You're dead. Yep. Wow, flying TNT. That was fun to see.
Wow, but I used the totem of undying.
Yeah! Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell, turn on notifications, and if you want, I guess I would recommend it, but Check out my brother's channel, Iron Golem Gaming. It's okay. I mean, obviously, it's not as good as mine. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys all next time.